Everybody, we are back at Las Vegas Little Theater and interviewing the cast of Stupid Effing Bird, which is the first show in the Black Box this year. And tonight we're interviewing Chandra Gillmer, who plays the character of MASH. Say hi to everybody, Chandra.
Hi, everybody. Mosh is a very cynical, nihilistic person with a bleak outlook on life. She's desperately in love with Connie, who is desperately in love with Nina. So she's got a lot of angst and a lot of sarcasm, and that's about it. My favorite line in the play would have to be, "I am in mourning for my life." It's quintessentially Mosh. I would have to say the biggest difference, well, the glaringly obvious one is I love color. She is very monotone, only black in her closet, but aside from that, she is nihilistic, and I'm optimistic, which is definitely the opposite of her. Everybody, well, maybe not the children, but everyone should come see this play because it speaks directly to the human experience. It highlights our insecurities, our fears, but it also celebrates how different we are. And I think everybody should feel it because it will give you the feels.